In this video today, we're going to be showing you guys how to assemble the body kit on the Venom 125cc Thunderbird dirt bike. So you're going to want to take off this bolt right here. You can use a 5 socket and a 10 wrench. Just like so. Then this bolt right here is next. Okay. Then you're going to want to grab your body kit. And you're just going to place the bolts back in and tighten them up. Now you're just going to tighten it. Now you're going to grab the front of the body kit. You're going to want to unscrew this bolt, this bolt, and this one. First one, second, and then you're going to want to use a 3 Allen key to get these out. Attach it to the back right there, so it clips in. And then you'll put your screw and you'll screw it in. First bolt in. Again, you don't want to tighten it right away just so you can maneuver your body kit on. There you go. Now the last one right there. Okay, and then you just have this corner bolt right up there. It's a bit difficult to see, so I'll just let him do his work. Then after is this piece right here. Take off the plastic cover, snap it into the back. First you're going to put one of these into here. Just like so. There we go. Screw that on. And that is how you put on the body kit for the Venom 125cc Thunderbird.